Hello and welcome to the TenKei ATM YouTube channel. The question today is, or the title today is, the TPT time versus the T7 time. Now, for those of you who don't know what I am talking about, you will be thinking, what is he talking about? Well, we're talking about trading. We're talking about a trading program. One program is called the TPT, or the TenKei Total Profit Target. Here, TenKei Total Profit Target. So it's a mouthful, isn't it? But it works. It just basically means what it means. The total profit target is what we are after in particular trades. Okay, so it's called the TPT. TPT. Tango Papa Tango. Over here we have the TenKei 7.0 or the TenKei 7.0 EA. Now, I always used to say TenKei 7.0, TenKei 7.0 EA, and somebody said, one of the people, traders in the course, said T7. They call it T7. So I thought, I like that. So this is T7. This is TPT. But the question is why do the times in the TPT and the T7 differ? So if we look in here at the start time, the TPT start time or auto trading time is 7 a.m. 7 a.m. GMT. Because we are here in the UK, we used to look at initially the FTSE. The FTSE starts at 8 a.m. So if we close this down and look at the FTSE, UK 100, that's the UK 100 blue chip stocks or shares in the FTSE. So look over here, the FTSE, we would still, if we trade it, start at 8 a.m. because that's when the market starts. That's the best time to start trading in the FTSE from. So why do we have a difference in time? This is 7 a.m., this is 8 a.m. What we have found in the past is, if, for instance, there's some computer failure, some technical fault, if we started this at 8 a.m. and the FTSE at 8 a.m., we have found in the past that we had no chance to, let's say, correct the error, correct the mistake, because this didn't start and now the time's already 10 past 8, etc. So it's just a mess. So what we ensure is that the manager, this is the main manager of the system, and it could be the manager of your own system, your own EA, your own trading style. You don't even need an EA, an expert advisor. But if you set this to start, you can set this to start at any time you wish. You can set it to start at 5 a.m. in the morning, but it's not going to do anything. It's not going to actually place any trades for you. But what it will do is it will switch this on. It's ready and waiting, auto trading. Without this, the TPT, the auto trading, will not work. With this, doesn't matter how good this is, the auto trading will not work. It does not work with this EA. So this EA cannot switch on the auto trading. So what are we doing? We are ensuring that we open the doors, we're ready for business by being here at 7 a.m. on auto trading. And if anything is going to go wrong, well, at least let it go wrong over here where this may not start. And sometimes this doesn't start because it needs refreshing. And sometimes we find that this here, the general settings, let's see, watch this. We come back to this, general settings is gone. It's disappeared. Or we have found that the time, the start time, has disappeared. Now, I'm going to take this out. Just 1 minute. I'm going to take this out here. So imagine this empty and that empty. So if there's no start time here, that means the TenKei 7.0 or the T7 is not going to start. So I'd rather it be like this, for this not to start, than for the auto trading not to start. So there have been times when we've come to the system and we've seen auto trading is on, which means this is doing its job, but this says none trading time because this has not been reloaded. In the actual system itself, or the program itself, it talks about housekeeping, and part of housekeeping is every so often you need to reload or reset the program, because if you have it running over and over again, it's a bit like, let's say, I don't know, having your lights on 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, or running your car, you know, just hour after hour, day after day, month after month. It'll wear out. So this is the same sort of thing. Okay, so every so often you just reload the system, but that is the reason why this is 7 a.m. this is 8 a.m. this could be any time you want. If you're doing the forex, this could be 7 a.m. and whatever market you choose. Let's just have a quick look over here. We've got these markets down here. Let's look at the forex market. You've got the euro dollar, you have the Swiss franc, yeah, you have cable dollar, put it over there, and finally we have the dollar yen. So imagine this will have one start time set by you. This euro dollar could start at 6 a.m. This could start at 6 a.m. This could start at 7 a.m. and this could start at 11 p.m. Do you get it now? I hope you get it. I hope you understand it. Thank you.